Hello and welcome to yet another video on STD presented by your mentor Vivek. This is it, the final step. Remember Unit 34 where the Phase 1 setup wizard was the first feature we specified? That wizard is about to run in production. It runs once and in 5 minutes hands you a working WorkshopHub. Step 1. The database. Server and port stay on defaults. The host sets those. Enter what you wrote down. Database name, username, password, then test connection. Green means the app can reach MySQL. Now create database. And the spec comes alive. Every table built, migrations executed successfully. Step 2. Your owner account. The studio dashboard login. Email, phone, password, all private, never shown publicly. Only your name goes public. And read that warning. No automatic email recovery after install. Passwords change through the admin panel only. Save it somewhere real. Step 3. What students will see. A tagline. Hands-on art workshops in Madrid. Booking phone, booking email, a short about, the studio address. Then your offerings. Watercolor, pottery, kids art club, and pricing plans. In studio session, €55 for 60 minutes. Online session at 50. Session length matters. It feeds the availability calendar later. All of it stays editable from the dashboard. Step 4. Pick the format. One scrolling landing page or a multi-page site. I'd go landing page. Then choose a theme. I'll take the calm professional one. Upload a studio photo. Portrait, clean background, swappable later. And click Finish Installation. And there it is. Your admin panel is ready. Open it. Your data's in. View the site. Tagline, prices, workshops, live on the internet. Don't like something? Web management, public information. Edit, done. And that is a deployed, production-ready application built with AI, without guesswork. Look at the road behind you. Specs before code. The constitution, the phases, the plan, the tasks, the agent implementing phase by phase. And today, deployment to a real server. You didn't just watch an app get built. You learned a repeatable system. Take spec-driven development and build your own project with it. If this course helped, a like and a subscribe genuinely help the channel. I'm Vivek Singh. Thanks for building WorkshopHub with me. Now go ship something. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.